Many beginners think that when they buy different ETFs, that they're spreading their money out. And I also made this mistake. But you could be buying the same things over and over again. So let me show you a way to avoid this. So I'm hopping over to the Fidelity site. Now, you don't have to use Fidelity as your broker. You could use Charles Schwab, you could use E Trade, you could use Vanguard. I'm just hopping over to Fidelity because I have a Fidelity account. Now, sector investing is a way that you can make sure you diversify your account instead of buying the same ETF that does the same thing. So, there are 11 sectors. And a sector is basically a section of the market. And let's look at two sectors to compare. Let's go to consumer staples. Now, in consumer staples, you could look at the holdings. Let's see, consumer staples. Let's just pick an ETF that we're going to look for. And Fidelity has it laid out really nice what ETFs they have in what sector. So let's see. We have FSTA. So we're gonna go to the search bar and we're gonna type in FSTA. Now I don't have this. I'm just showing you. This is just an example. And we can see the price. So right here it's $50.38. This is the way I like to quickly look at things. So this is the price. And I want to check out the top holdings. Let's make this. So the top holdings is Walmart. It's 14.48% of this ETF. Then you'll have Costco, Procter and Gamble. So these are companies you know or you might know. And in this ETF, it has 97 holdings. So you're getting exposure to 97 companies in this consumer staples account. I mean, in this consumer staple ETF. And let's just jump back. Now, there's 11 sectors, and you don't have to know all 11 sectors. But there's sectors that you know, like energy, financials, healthcare, information technology, and that's primarily tech stocks. There's real estate. So you could pick a sector that you want to invest in. Let's jump over to, let's see, which one? Healthcare. Let's jump over to healthcare. So first we're at consumer discretionary. Was it? No, consumer staples. And go to healthcare. So you could actually mix these two ETFs and put them in your portfolio. So let's go to the sector ETF. That's FHLC. Let's type it in. FHLC. And let's see what the healthcare ETF has for us. The price is $74.15. And let's jump down to the holdings. Now, the top 10 is a company called Eli Lilly. We have Johnson and Johnson. Maybe many people have heard of that. We have United Healthcare, and We have other ETFs. We have other companies within this ETF. This total ETF has 330, a lot of companies in this one ETF, but they're all healthcare. So this is a simple way to make sure that you don't buy the same thing over and over again in one ETF, one or two ETFs. And just if you want to start learning the basics, I have a free download, and that's investing basics made clear. I'll link that below. And also, if you're ready to start investing, I have a $500 game plan that you could also get started. That link will also be below. So please comment, let me know, did you know about the sectors? And subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Talk to you soon.